Hey everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to go back to basics and make delicious French toast. First, let's talk about bread for a minute. Traditionally, day-old bread is used. So if you can keep the slices out overnight, it'll help the bread stay together in the custard. And if you have brioche, it'll be even better. Okay, let's get started. In a wide shallow pan, we're going to add 2 eggs and we're going to break them up a bit to make mixing easier. And add 1/4 cup of milk or heavy cream if you want to be more decadent to the mixture. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar, an 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of salt, and a splash of real vanilla extract. Whisk everything together until it's well combined and you see that the sugar has dissolved into the custard. Next, in a large non-stick pan, heat a slice of butter and get everything ready to go. Once you see that the butter is melted, place the bread in the custard mixture for about 30 seconds on each side before placing them onto the frying pan. Let them cook for a few minutes on one side, checking to make sure that they're done before flipping them over and cooking on the other side for a few more minutes. Once it looks cooked on both sides, go ahead and plate them. Put on a drizzle of your favorite maple syrup and you're good to go. That's it. It's a pretty